back with bag 17. Here's where we left off on 16. We hadn't connected it to our body yet. So hopefully 17 builds on this and will connect to our body. Alright. Lots of black pieces in this one and lots of smooth pieces too. So we're getting close to the end. There's only 20 bags. So we are getting close to the end here. Alright, separate our colors. Then we have this little bag of specialty pieces. If you've watched up till now, thank you. If this is the first one you're seeing, also thank you. Please go back and watch the rest. All right, so we're gonna start with a 3x3 and a single. Oh, here we go. So this is a single little square, and it's gonna go in the back corner. All right. Now we're gonna take this 8, and it's gonna go next to our little single. Now we got this semicircle, I guess a quarter circle, and it's gonna go under there with our circle, our rounded part on the same side as this. And now we need a 3, so 3 dots and then a little red hat. Our little red hat is going to go right here, and then our 3 dots is going to go across here, and that connects these two pieces together, but also makes this more flush. Now we need a little square, so it's a 2x2 square, and it's going to go right on top here, but we're leaving our little hat open and the one in front of the hat open. Now we need 2 of these, and these are 6. So these are 6 or what? Or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they're gonna go right by the little 2x2 square we just put on there. Oh gosh, this step needs lots of pieces. Okay, so we're gonna recreate this side again. So we need a semicircle, a square, another square, a dot, a dot, a 3. Where's a 3? Here's a 3. Okay, so we got a dot, a 3, a square, oh, and a rectangle. All right, so this time, our dot's gonna go on this side, and our rectangle goes on this side. And then our circle. And then our little dot. The dot is right in the middle of the semicircle. Here, and then here. Oh, that's not right. Nope. I forgot to leave the space. So we have to have a space. This looks weird because the circle, the curved part's on the inside, but that's the way it shows it. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. 2 of the stair steps, smooth, 2 wide. And this goes here. Okay. Now it looks like little forklift forks. Now we have the upside down triangles again, or the upside down pyramids. And these are going to go with the angle towards the center once again. Okay. Now here we need one of these threes. We need two of these pieces. We haven't seen these pieces yet. These are like a semicircle with a dot here and an opening here. And then we need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the 5 is gonna go across the back. So there, that connects those two together. The 3 goes here, connecting them together even more. And then this goes here. So we left this space down here, and that's where the opening is gonna go, and the dot is gonna go up here. So, space, opening, there we go. So now we have a curved piece here. We got these flat curves here, and then we have lots of dots to connect to. Okay, now we need 2 more of these, and then we need this last 3. So this 3 goes up here, and then these go next to these, but because we didn't have a space, it's raised up a little bit higher. So it's a little bit higher. All right, there we go. So that's level, that's level, that's level. Now we need another 5, and it's gonna go across here. So now this is level. And we need 3 of these long angles. These are very long. They got lots of openings down here, but just 2 at the top. And then we need this 1 pyramid. So this is the rough, smooth part with no bumps or anything. And then 3 here. And these are gonna attach by the very tip onto this. So they're barely attached to this guy. But they're gonna go in the center here, where they're gonna be attached to across right here. And we left 2 beige, 2 beige. So now we've got this piece here, but this is still barely connected. So hopefully something else goes on the bottom. Now we need 1 side from each that goes each direction, and those are going to go here. So now we have our nice angle here. We've got lots of dots here. All right, now we're going to take 3 of these. They look like little shoes. Here we go. So these here, they look like little Barbie shoes. So we got the flat side here that's kind of rough. We have a single dot, and then we have double space. So the shoes go with the toe of the shoe pointing out, and it's going to go on top of the 3 long ones that we installed last time, or last step, or step before last, I guess. Okay, so now we've got angle, angle. Now we're going to take this dark gray 6, this last 5, and then this last 3. The 3 is going to go in the middle of the 5, like this. And then and this one is going to go here. So it's going to connect these 3 together and connect them to here. So now we've got a little bit more stability there. Then this guy goes across here. So now this is a step up and this is a step up. So we need 2 more angles, and these angles, once again are opposites. So the one with the long piece on the left actually goes on the right. And the long piece on the right goes on the left. So there we go. So now we have the stair step. We got some more smooth parts. We still have a lot of dots. So we're going to cover up more dots. So we have these 3 angles. These are stair steps, 1 wide. And these go right on here. Okay, so now we've got this smooth part all the way down. We've covered up all of our dots. Now we're going to take last time's piece. And see here we have the white triangle and the black triangle. And the black triangle's on the bottom. This piece stands up like this so that the wider part is at the bottom. And it's just going to snap onto here. Just like this. So now this is flush, 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 and then this covers up all these mechanical parts here that we haven't gotten to yet. And it goes this direction. So we're going to set it to the side just like this. Oh, okay, so now we've got it going this direction. And we're going to add some parts. So we need this 4. We need this one with the smooth and the 2 dots. A 2 dot. An angle with 2 dots. And then... Okay, so for this one, we need the 2 dots on the left. And then we need 1 each of these angles. So we're going to take this piece, and this is going to go this way. So we're going to put the smooth side facing us. We're going to put the 2 dots underneath so that now this is flush. These 2 are going to go where the, okay, so the thinner side is going to be to the right. So it's going to go like this. Okay, so now we have this, where we have the 2 dots and we have the wider part to the left. And then this little guy goes underneath the part that's to the left. So now we have a double piece here, as you can see here, and then a single piece here, and it's going to go on this side. And we have this gap here, so that's where this double piece is going to go. Okay, so now we've added some dots on the side, but we've also added some smooth finished pieces on the side. And we're going to spin it around, and we're going to do the same thing, but opposite. So we need 1 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these, and this one. So this time, we're going to put the dots going this way. Nope, I did it wrong. Okay, oh, nope, okay. We're going to put the dots on that, so we're going to put the long one on the right, and then we're going to put the short one on the left. And then same thing, the short side is going to be pointed to the left, or the thinner side is to the left, the wider side is to the right, and then this guy is going to go on the front. Okay, and then we're going to go down here. Here's our gap. So this is going to go right across here, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside for right now. We need one of these and one of these, and this is just going to go right on top. And then this thing has hinges on both ends, 2 dots in the middle, and 2 openings on the bottom. And it's going to snap right on top of here too. Now we need this piece, and we only have one of these, and it is the 2 openings on the bottom, but only 1 dot on top. Now we need 2 of these, our 2 little arms, our little hands that are going to grab onto something. 2 of these. Alright, and then we need 1 of these, 1 of these, and then we've got 2 that are like a nice gradual curve, and then we've got 2 that are very sharp curves. So they're 2 different curves, 2 different angles. Okay, so we're going to take 1 with the arm, or with the little hand, and a gray and a black. And on the front where the little hand is, we're going to do the angle. So I'm not seeing which way the angle goes. Alright, so for the... Okay, it's this one. Okay. It's a little hard to tell, but the angle, we're turning it sideways instead of front ways. So the angle is going to be towards the back. For this piece, the longer side is going to be on the right. And then the very sharp angle is going to go on top. And the smooth angle goes on the bottom. So we have an angle here, and then this overhangs because there's nowhere else for it to go. There's nothing else for it to attach to, and it's going to go on this side. Now we're going to do the little hand, the beige, the black, this little angle, this little flat, smooth angle, and then the sharp angle, and then the smooth angle on the bottom. And this is going to attach to this side. So now we have this little kind of bat wing looking thing here. So we're on page 219, and that was step 427. Alright, so now we're going to take this piece and we're going to put the 4 white dots to the right. And then this, so we have 1, 2, 3, so we're going to leave 2 open, and this is going to go at the back. And then these can go up and down. Okay, but they're going to go down for now. And that is all of bag 17. So once again, we are not attaching anything to the body again. So we added these sides, this back, and this top. All right, thanks for watching 17. Stay tuned for 18.